Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Tira Nuraini, Class Management 22A, NPM 2241 1037. In this video, I will to tell you about the scope of organizational change and development. The first slide is about introduction to organizational change and development. Organizational change and development, or OCD, is a critical aspect of modern business management, ensuring that organizations remain adaptive, competitive, and capable of responding to dynamic external and internal influence. The scope of organizational change and development encompasses a broad range of activities and includes strategic shift, structural modification, cultural transformation, and technological advancement. Organizations that fail to recognize the necessity of change often struggle with inefficiency, reduced competitiveness, and employee dissatisfaction. Understanding the breadth of organizational change requires examining various dimensions, including planned and unplanned change, transformational and incremental change, as well as proactive and reactive approach. In addition, organizational development, or OD, focus on long-term improvement by leveraging behavioral science principles to enhance effectiveness and employee well-being. The integration of change management and organizational development ensure that transitions are smooth, sustainable, and aligned with organizational goals. And the next slide is about type and dimension of organizational change. Organizational change can be classified into different types based on its scale, intent, and impact. This classification helps leadership and managers determine the best approach to facilitate change successfully. First, planned and unplanned change. Planned change is an intentional process initiated by management to address specific challenges or opportunities. It involves systematic steps such as diagnosing the problem, setting objectives, and implementing strategies to achieve desired outcome. Examples include restructuring department, adopting new technology, and launching diversity initiative. On the other hand, unplanned change occur unexpectedly due to external forces such as economic downturn, technological disruption, or regulation shift. 2 is about incremental versus transformational change. Incremental change refer to small continuous improvement that enhance existing process and system. This approach minimizes disruption and allow employees to adapt gradually. Example include workflow optimizing, process automation, and refining customer service strategy. In contrast, transformational change involves a fundamental shift in organizational structure, culture, and business model. 4. A3. Proactive versus reactive change. Proactive change occur when organizational anticipate future challenges and take action before issues arise. This forward-thinking approach allows business to stay ahead of competitors, capitalize on new opportunities, and mitigate risks. For example, a company investing in sustainability initiatives to comply with future regulation and engage in proactive change. Reactive change, however, happens in response to immediate pressure or crisis, while necessary reactive change can be disruptive and may indicate a lack of strategic foresight. And the next slide is about key component of organizational development. Organizational development, or OD, is structured effort aimed at improving on organizational effectiveness and adaptability. Unlike short-term change, OD focus on long-term growth, enhance the overall health of the organization. Key components of organizational development include leadership, culture, employee engagement, and performance management. First, leadership and change management. Effective leadership is at the heart of successful organizational development. Leaders play a critical role in communicating the vision for change, inspiring employees, and ensuring alignment with organizational objectives. Transformational leadership, which emphasizes motivation, innovation, and collaboration, is particularly effective in driving change. Change management frameworks such as Coder, 8-step process, and the EdCare model have organizational navigate transition by providing structured methodology. 2. Organizational culture and employee engagement. Culture is a fundamental aspect of an organizational identity, shaping behavior, decision-making process, and overall workplace environments. A strong adaptive culture fosters employee engagement, collaboration, and innovation. Organizations must assess their culture strength and weakness, identify areas that require information strategies such as training program, leadership development, and diversity initiative can help create a more inclusive and adaptive work environment. 3. Performance management and continuous improvement. Sustained organization development requires a robust performance management system that aligns individual and team goals with broader business objective. Regular feedback, performance appraisal, and professional development program contribute to employee growth and organizational success. Additionally, continuous improvement methodologies such as Six Sigma and Lean management enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and promote innovation. And the next slide is about challenges and strategies in implement change and development. Despite its importance, implementing organizational change and development is not without challenges. Resistance to change, lack of clear communication, insufficient research, and misalignment with organizational goals can hinder progress. Organizational must proactively address these obstacles to ensure successful change initiative. First, overcoming resistance to change. Employee resistance is one of the most common barriers to change. Resistance often stems from the fear of the unknown, job security concern, or skeptics about the effectiveness of new initiatives to mitigate resistance. Organizational must foster open communication, involve employees in decision making, and provide training to ease the transition. Change campaign and leadership support play a critical role in reinforcing positive attitude toward change. 2. Effective communication and stakeholder engagement. Clear, consistent, and transparent communication is essential in driving change. Leaders should articulate the rationale for change, highlight its benefit, and address potential concerns. Engagement can help stakeholders such as employee, customer, and investor ensure that change initiative gain with widespread support. Regular update, feedback machine, and two-way communication channel help build trust and collaboration. 3. Allocate research and measuring success. Change initiative require educate research, including financial investments, skilled personnel, and technological tools. Organizational must allocate research strategically, prioritizing projects that yield the highest impact. Additional established key performance indicators or KPIs allow organizations to measure progress, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate achievement. Continuous evaluation ensure that change efforts remain effective and aligned with strategic goals. And the last slide is about conclusion and key takeaways. Organizational change and development are essential for business to remain competitive, innovative, and resilient in an evolving marketplace. The scope of organizational change includes various dimensions, such as planned and unplanned change, incremental versus transformational change, and proactive and reactive change. Each type requires different approaches and strategies to ensure successful implementation. Organizational development complements change management by focusing on leadership, culture, employee engagement, and performance improvement. Effective leadership, strong communication, and strategic resource allocation are critical factors in driving successful change initiative. However, organizational must also address challenges such as resistance to change, stakeholder engagement, and measure success. Ultimately, organizations that embrace change, proactive, and invest in continuous development are better positioned for long-term success. By fostering a culture of adaptability, leverage change management framework, or prioritizing employees' engagement. Business can navigate transition effectively and achieve sustainable growth. As the business landscape continues to evolve, organizations that cultivate a dynamic and forward-thinking mindset will be the one and thrive in the future. I think enough in this presentation. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.